Assalamu alaikum. Dear students of class 5, hope you all are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Home School. This is Wahid Noor, Assistant Teacher of Islamic Studies, National Ideal English Version School, Deshit. Today I am going to take the class of Islamic Studies for class 5. And today our topic is BQ 13, 14 and 15 from exercise from chapter 5. Lecture number 26, HW number 14. My beloved students, this is the last 3 BQ from exercise, and inshallah next YouTube class I will provide you the CBQ, I mean competency based board question. So check the class and learn the every works BQ. Okay students, see question number 13 is, how did Hazrat Ibrahim alayhi salam escaped unhurt from the fire? Answer: how Ibrahim alayhi salam was unhurt from the fire. Namrud, the king of Babel, ignited a huge fire to burn and kill Ibrahim alayhi salam. Ibrahim alayhi salam was thrown into the fire, but as soon as he was sent in, it turned cool and comfortable as per Allah's orders. Ibrahim alayhi salam was saved from being burned alive. He was uninjured and unharmed by the grace of Allah. Allah says in the context, "O fire, cool down for Ibrahim, be comfortable." My dear students, already we discussed about the biography of Hazrat Ibrahim alayhi salam, and you are clear from there how Hazrat Ibrahim alayhi salam was unhurt in the fire. And you know, Namrud was the oppressor king at that time, at the time of Hazrat Ibrahim alayhi salam. And when Ibrahim alayhi salam preached the Islam, given the invitation of Islam to the Namrud and Ibrahim alayhi salam's father, they also was the idol worshipper. That's why they taken that decision. They will kill Ibrahim alayhi salam and alive by burning in the fire. That's why they throw into the fire, but fire cannot do anything without permission of Almighty Allah. So Almighty Allah didn't give the permission for burning the Ibrahim alayhi salam. That's why Ibrahim alayhi salam was there totally safe and comfortable. And Almighty Allah ordered to the fire, "Ya nar kuni bardan wa salaman ala Ibrahim." It means, "O fire, don't burn to Ibrahim alayhi salam and be comfortable." So it was the situation of Hazrat Ibrahim alayhi salam for burning by the Namrud. Okay, now question number 14. Write down about good governance and fair judgment by Hazrat Dawood alayhi salam. Answer: the good governance and fair judgment of Hazrat Dawood alayhi salam. Hazrat Dawood alayhi salam was a very just king. He was a good administrator and fair judge. His judiciary was fair and flawless. So now I given 6 points. You can learn minimum 5 points, then it will be easy for the exam. First one is, he means Hazrat Dawood alayhi salam. He used to travel through his kingdom in disguise to observe the states of his people. Number 2, he would visit roads and lanes and dwelling houses. Number 3, he did not accept any money from the king's treasury. Number 4, he was very sympathetic to people. Number 5, he killed the rebel and tyrant ruler Jalut by his heroism. And number 6, the general public used to get fair and just treatment from him. So my dear students, if you read again and again the biography of Hazrat Dawood alayhi salam, then you can write any 5 points about the judiciary system of Hazrat Dawood alayhi salam's time. So it's not mandatory you will learn same as from our paper. So you learn from yourself, that will be better, but you have to read your book again and again. Well, now question number 15, last question. What advice Hazrat Isa alayhi salam gave to the people? Answer: Hazrat Isa alayhi salam gave this advice to the people. Number 1, to worship one Allah. Number 2, he asked them to refrain from shirk. And number 3, he also advised people to remain aloof from corruption and refrain from sins and evil deeds. My dear students, this is the last biography of Hazrat Isa alayhi salam in your book. So Isa alayhi salam given the advice to the people same as the previous prophets given their followers. So first of all worship to the Almighty Allah, don't worship to the idols, and leave the sinful activities, and think about the Almighty Allah, don't share with Almighty Allah any sharing, etc., etc. So it was the advice, it was the teaching of Hazrat Isa alayhi salam to their people. And keep remember students, Isa alayhi salam till now alive to the responsibility of Almighty Allah. And when we will discuss in the physical class, then inshallah you can understand how Almighty Allah saved Hazrat Isa alayhi salam from the enemy. That's all for today, my dear students. Now keep attention to the HW number 14, that is BQ 14 from here. I think BQ 14 is very important for you, that's why you will write BQ 14 only, BQ 14 as the HW. Okay, my dear students, no more today. Keep practicing at home to abide by your parents. See you next class inshallah. Till then, assalamu alaikum.